For many Greeks who live overseas, arriving in Athens means the end of a long journey, and this particular moment is what we call the best feeling in the world.
There are many ways to get transport from the airport. Taxi is one, as you can see there are many taxis behind me, or you can catch the metro, or you can catch this bus here, which is the X95, and that's what I'm going to get.
Taxis are the easiest but priciest option, costing 40 to 50 euros. Perfect if you want an air-conditioned ride after a long flight. The metro is 9 euros one way or 16 for return. It's clean, fast and reliable, great for avoiding traffic and getting a glimpse of local life. The X95 shuttle bus is the cheapest at €5.50. It's less convenient but has its charm as you watch Athens unfold through the windows. For comfort, go with the taxi. For savings and a bit of adventure, the X95 shuttle bus is worth a try.
There's the bus over there, that's where it dropped us off. Parliament is back there, Greek Parliament. There's the metro station here as well. It's a central location, you can get to your hotel room from here if you want. €5.50 from the airport, about a 40-45 minute bus ride. Great way to budget travel when you arrive in Greece, getting to the city centre.